Hello and welcome. Today is the 27th of January. We are back after a few days of absence. We're going to trade the London session. I might trade as well some gold or silver. Depend on the cases. Actually, yesterday the DAX crashed after closing and recovered everything during the day. Today actually we are still above the open and we still have long way to go from the all-time high after this few days of crash. There was a first recovery and you might see another push to the upside. Hopefully we can see some big move today. Okay. So just about to update you about the 10K challenge. Actually still ongoing. For the first phase it was already passed on the 19th of January. I was not able to trade often live, so that's why I'm trying to trade the second phase online as well, live. So for the second, so this is actually the update for the it's not showing here. So the first one was already done. Now we have the second one. We are already like 55% from the target. So profit of 2.7%. And what else? About the news, actually there is no high impact news for now. Just want to look as well at the euro dollar. You might see some pushback, some strength in the dollar. And the strength in the dollar means weakness in the indices. But I think for the US indices. So hopefully we can see some trend today so we can write some good profit. First 5 minutes is doing nothing actually for now. The move was like 20 points. So let's just wait and be patient. This feels like a double top or triple top in gold. Flirt again with the 5,100. Not sure if it's going to cross the 5-1, so we can target maybe some 20 points or something above, or $20. That will be the play. Hey, welcome, buddy. Nice to see you. Why I just don't feel there will be a move during the London session. For the US, yeah, there is some, but when I see the extension, like when I see that the Asian session move already for so long, like 80 points in the Asian session, most of the time the London will just chop until the US session, but let's see. I wish for a good move actually, but if it's not there, then it's okay. Hopefully we can have some good closing above 25,000. I might get some long. Actually the long will give me a good space to run. Just adjust my size for now. We'll go for one contract. Actually the market's already open, but we are still just ranging between this tight range here on 35 points. And when you don't see some breakout or some liquidity grab there in the first 5 minutes of the market, feels the market look like quiet. The gold as well is trying to pull back. Silver pulling back. But it's not a good idea to short. Let's give it some time. Market just opened right now. And actually, even with the Japan problems, we don't see some panic or something, because many economists, they are saying that things will be catastrophic, but right now I don't see much. I don't see any panic. There is a little bit of volatility. I think the VIX is high as well, but not to the level of panic. And when there is no panic, actually the prices keeps going up. Just trying to find some good point to enter. I try to draw some channel. Let's have a play on this channel. Okay, first 5 minutes was positive, second one is negative. I will give it a try long here. A bad feel. Maybe I would just try to scalp it to this high again. And it's depend, if I see some really good push to the upside, I will move my stop above. Yesterday, actually, the European session was negative. Here, when the London opened yesterday, there was a little bit of move at the start. Then I think the market went down around 100 points. Hopefully, this will be inverted today, and the move will be to the upside. Oh, congratulations! So you need, I think, to wait for the overnight run. So by tomorrow you will start your funded account. But there is no problem with it. All good? Hopefully this level will hold. Actually, I don't like the price to stay here so long. If you stay more, it might have some breakout to the downside from this channel. At least to sweep some liquidity here, then bounce back. You need to check it second by second. Maybe you have something wrong. You just put some stop loss a little bit far. Yeah, if you did not trade any news, then it's okay. So by tomorrow you will be funded trader. And soon we will see you in this leaderboard of the company. And that time you can sting them with a very huge payout, you know? And go to FTMO. Yeah, that's what we discussed last time. You don't need to, you know, revenge immediately. Just take things easy. We'll get out here for now. Give it some time to see. There was try to push up but failed. Normally the reversal should be on the first 1 to 2 minutes when you get closer to this level. So let's see if manage to close down, goes above again, we can buy it. If close down and fail to go above, then I will sell it. We just see the low of the day here. That's 100 point to the low of the day. Or let's say less than 100 point, around 84 point. Yeah, as I told you, just be kind and put for them very nice Trustpilot review. Then don't go so hard. If you read the reminiscences of Stock Operator, when he used to go to the bucket shops, he was not really going heavy from the first, you know, bet. He always starts small until he goes big and, you know, wipe out all their profits from other suckers. Okay, the first 15 minutes actually did not manage to close below. I will try to jump in if there is small pullback here. I'm in long again. Even it was a little bit higher than the first price, but it's okay. My target will be just see. Give it time. Hopefully we can see some rally. Maybe I will add if the price closes above this. Stop loss, just give it some space for now. Actually, I had the small long for gold today morning. So I'm plus around 55 for now. Let's have a look. Other assets. Silver is still trying to push higher. Stays here for so long. I think to have a short on silver. So what's going on in the DAX? I think European really pushing the prices lower. We just need this level to hold actually. See some buying coming in. It was pushed 2 times. This is the 3rd time. So the market open. In case there is breakout here, I will go short immediately. I will just flip the switch. So I told you the market is really not moving nicely. 33 points, 20 minutes of trading. It's very weak. So here should be some buyers below the first 15-minute low. Hopefully we can see some spikes to the upside. New low. Pinch this low here. See some rejection right now and price goes above the line. Sellers are really trying hard to go below this low here. 5 minutes is over. It's like a retest for the Hopefully they will, this one was fake, then we'll see some push above here, then I can maybe add one more to the upside. But this 5 minutes should close here with no wick. Means this one was fake breakout, so the upside will be good. So we are going to break above this in case the price goes up. The price is back again below. For 2 minutes we are already trying to go back above the line, but I don't see any strength. Yeah, and we make new low. Okay, we'll exit right now. Yeah, I just want to see the reaction below this level. I feel like I'm trading the Asian session. It's so weak, there is no volume. Let's go to smaller time frame to see what's exactly going inside. When you see these gaps in between the prices, means the volume is sick. You can see the price is jumping, maybe 2 point, 1 point with no trading. Means nobody is interested, look. And here as well we can see it. It's like you are trading some low cap stocks. So I will call it for now. Let's trade something else, or let's have a look on this. Maybe I will flip and go short. Problem is the volume is very, very low. I will wait for some little pullback here, then I will take another short. Roller is weakening. We will get some entry here. Look at the time. Just be patient. Hopefully we'll have some small pullback just to this level here. I don't want to risk another 26 point for my stop loss, or let's say 30 point. To make another 40 point, it doesn't make sense. Hopefully you have some pause here before continuation. So I want to have some entry somewhere here. Let's have a look on the gold, or why not silver. Actually we can target this 110.43 to the smaller time frame. We see some pullback. You can see the volume is getting higher on the way down. Short here. Let's target this level here. I'll give it some space for stop loss. Feels like this level here is resisting. Trading against trend in silver is something crazy, but you just scalp few points. Yeah, you make it. Yeah, let's just push to the other high. One more push. I am out here. That's a small scalp. We recover from the stupid DAX trade. Let's go back. Yeah, it's still just. Oh, I miss it. It went to my entry. That's another 20-point loss. We did not lose it, but we miss it. Was waiting for the level. Yeah, I'm thinking to build position in gold and target some 560. Actually, the silver pulled back just from my exit. Maybe we can have some long somewhere here. In case the move was so fast. You see the reaction from this level. The dollar is getting a little bit strong. Yeah, what your short was crazy, man. That was epic. I never seen something like that. You catch the biggest move, I think some 14% or 10% move. You know, if you are a hedge fund manager, you have made millions. Actually, I was thinking yesterday to trade gold and silver at night, like at the closing, because I see some big moves at the closing. But I fall asleep, really. I had some food and after that I feel like so sleepy, so I just see your messages this morning. Actually, for the silver and gold, the best thing to trade is the breakouts, because when it breaks, it's really moved so hard. Look at the swings. That's $14 up, down, and another 8 up. This is very nice swings. If you catch the right side, the right direction, you will make a lot. But I want to know, how did you know that the silver is going down to short it that hard? You know, the problem if you try like to catch short somewhere here, I think you sold at 14 somewhere here. 114. If I was on, maybe after this move and pull back, I will trade this breakout from here, which is, yeah, 1146. And you just cover maybe at around 04. Yo, you catch really big chunk of it. Yeah, I missed the good move, really. 60 point. They should have added somewhere here. So we touched the low of the day. What I will try to do is to go long from the low of the day. There will be a little bit of rejection. Once I think of taking position, price jump like 9 point, 8 point. 104, yeah, I see that's that's insider job, you know. They are bearish in the bull market. You should be bullish in the bull market and bearish in the bear market. But if you see some signal of sell-off, then it's good to jump in with minimum risk. I see your positions was too small and you keep adding, which is perfect. Hopefully the US dollar will recover a little bit in this level. That's what drives the DAX lower. We up 77 for today. Well, I will get another push next 5 minutes here, then I will go long. Another try for this. For this low, then I will go long. That's true. When everybody talks about silver and gold, that's the time to sell. A little bit more push. I was buying physical gold when it was like 1,650, 17 per ounce. But now it's time to sell. Yeah, I don't know who is buying now at 5,000, and he was buying gold in I think 2020, 2021. Silver was trading at like $13-14 or something like that. Now it's 114. You know, many times I was trying to find a place to buy silver coins, but I always postpone it, like I did not really take it much seriously. I just buy gold, but now I regret why I did not buy a few kilos of silver. See, the problem of silver as a commodity is the scarcity right now. It's not only a metal, it's industrial. That's what gives it this push, actually, because it was suppressed with shorts before. But once the shorts got squeezed, then that's the real price now, as per like demand and supply. You want to get another loan? Try to get loan somewhere here. Because the movie is already extended with the no real volume. Actually, a buy from here will be good, and sell also if in case this level broke will be a good short. But we need to consolidate a little bit somewhere here to have some small like triangle or some kind of channel. If the price goes direct down here, it needs to go up. So we just put some alert in here. If the price revisited this level here, actually if I got some entry here, it will be nice, and my stop loss will be very, very tiny. Maybe some push. Last one, so I can have a good feel. Let's place an order here. Please feel, thank you. We are in. We can revisit just this level, so the one we miss on the downside, we will take it to the upside. My stop loss actually will be just this low. For you can see some recovery and should be fast. We are already 48 minutes in this live. Push higher, so let me get out of this position quickly. I don't have time. Actually, this range yesterday was important range. You can see a lot of buying and selling in this range. This was the US session, I think, the afternoon. Actually, so yeah, since the morning, price was chopping in this area. Means there is some agreement on the price in here. So hopefully it will still visit again this high. I don't feel really comfortable to add these days because of this choppy price action. There is no real moves, so it's very hard to add. Except metals, they are moving very well, so there is possibility to add to your winners, but the indices, it's not really good to add. Let's put my stop loss here. Some accumulation this level. So hopefully the guys was here yesterday buying these levels. Will be here today as well. Yes, euro dollar is recovering. Hopefully the DAX will recover as well. Recover just to my stop loss, to my take profit, and yeah, if you want to short gold, it's okay, but just don't short it in the weekends. Don't keep your position open over the weekend. There is some huge gaps, might wipe you out. You should be, hands-on when you are trading silver or gold, because their moves is crazy. I start feeling that the DAX these days is not tradable really. It's moving very slow with low volume. It's just chopping like one red, one green, one red, one green. Long move up, another down. Not really comfortable to trade it. We are approaching the first 1 hour close. Actually, we are standing on some kind of resistance. Or let's say support, become support right now. And actually it wasn't easy to break it. You can see here all this move was like just retreated and again retreated. Then yesterday it was broken on the US session, I think. Retested, then rallied again. So hopefully this will not be able to break below. We don't know, let's see. With this low volume, nobody knows. Here as well from the top, it was retested many times, but we were not able to break below. Until the market closes, then they push again. After the market opens, the price goes high. a little bit of space because I might just sweep some orders and go back again to the zone. But after this live session, in case this one was stopped, maybe I will swing it down to these levels again. Because this is very important level. If there is any closing below, then we can target like 24,700. But up to now, it's still holding. So, and we see some rejection, so hopefully we will consolidate here. This is some micro double bottom. I think I will update you about this position later in the evening once we trade the US session, New York session. I will just stop live for now. It's I think 56 minutes, which is too much. So take care and thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. I'll see you in the evening. Thank you.